Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for HBAR price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course on HBAR, potentially we are bullish, I don't know how, in a middle of a very red bearish market. So let's see what do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A or a 1 finished here. After both case scenario, WXY of course, correction, which it was not enough potentially, and then it has of course continued with another wave Y as W, X, and a Y, finishing wave B and a wave 2. In this case scenario, we are looking for higher prices, and this is exactly what we got. A very large impulse toward the upside. This impulse can be your 1, 2, and then wave 3, and we're looking for definitely wave 4 here as a correction, but we saw of course inside this correction wave C was not finished yet. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then we saw of course where is your wave 4, 5, and this is exactly what we got, a 4 and a 5. And yeah, we saw the 4 and a 5 finishing exactly at this area for a wave 4 here. And then after this, of course, we have finished this wave C, which is supposing to be, of course, a wave C or a wave A. So we're gonna see what's gonna, what we're gonna get inside here. So we are looking basically for continuation towards the upside. We saw a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 currently. Did this 4 invalidate the impulse? Let's check. On the 1 hour chart, we have of course here a 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry for interrupting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can this be an impulse? What a weird impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it can be. Yeah. So we have of course a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 potentially here. We are looking at a very sharp ABC toward the downside, unless this transforms to something like A, B, and a C in an expanding flat. But however, if this is an expanding flat, this is gonna be very bad, because yeah, potentially the wave 5 is gonna invalidate it, which is not nice, right? Now our impulse in this area is here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4, I would say, and a 5 potentially. Yeah, but I'm a little bit shocked with this shape of an impulse here, because it looks very weird. Now it is a wave 3, your wave 5 took the high. Here potentially is not good, and also the wave 2 here taking the 0.886 is also not good. Therefore, higher possibility goes S4 and F5. Yeah, so not finished as well, potentially. So let's move a little bit deeper here in the 15-minute chart. Maybe we get a little bit much more insights. Yeah, 3 waves down, and yeah, very choppy, but this can be an impulse. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 5. Internally, it can be expanding flat, wave 2, 3, 4, not interfering with zone 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wick is your wave 4 shallow. Therefore, yeah, internally it says this is your wave 4, this is your wave 5. We're done, we're finished with this impulse. Yeah, potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, knowing that the wave 4 time is not nice to see here with this expanding flat. Wave 2, it finished very fast. Crazy. Yeah, and this might be your wave 2. I mean, look, this scenario for the bullish could be much better, but I'm afraid to give it as 100%, because it is better, because of course you finished a zigzag in this case for a wave 2, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. But I wish that I can give it, guys, 100%, but I cannot really let us be safe, guys. Let's just say we did not finish yet a wave 4 is much more safe to say it, knowing that, yeah, not really looking nice, yeah, as an impulse. Don't forget the rule, not rule, like guideline from Elliott wave. It should look nice, yeah, and this doesn't look nice. So potentially we might be in an A, B, and a C for a wave 4, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Hopefully that we don't invalidate, for example, here. And we are still in bullish, of course, until invalidation of bullish. And of course, your price action is exactly here, 0.20. This is invalidation. Definitely, we still have 4, 5. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, to be finished. Here we go. So yeah, hopefully we don't invalidate, and then of course potentially moving for higher, because this scenario looks nice, because based on the time for your wave 2 and your wave 4, very, very nice. Now the alternation is not nice because you got an expanding flat and also an expanding flat, but this can be a WXY, this can be a WXY here because of this choppy price. But basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can be, and then continuation for higher in case we are still bullish, for HBAR here. And we're looking there for ABC, exactly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning this can still be, of course, your 1, 2, and then continuation toward the upside for a wave 1, 2, and then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. This is what we are looking for, exactly. So, I would say higher possibility that we are still in bullish in HBAR. Very nice. We're gonna watch the scenarios, but of course, important here to watch is the invalidation of bullish. If we start to move impulsively, because you don't know, it might end up also in WXY, as we said, and this might end up as a zigzag in a wave Y. Nobody know. So because of this X here, potentially it tells us WXY, and when you are in a wave Y, then you're looking for a zigzag, for example, and then continuation for higher. So very, very interesting. Important thing is to watch is the invalidation. Unless we don't touch this, we are very bullish. Okay, these are the scenarios for HBAR. If we take a look here as well, did we finish this move toward the downside here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially for 5, or ABC for a wave 4, and then 5. I believe this is your wave 4 as a also expanding flat. Just a little bit insight as well. Wave, just one. Very nice, guys. This is also a trick. If we touch the 1-to-1 fib level, which we're gonna do potentially with wave 5, and we start to retrace, it is also a signal that this is a zigzag. Okay, if you overshoot it, the possibilities start to reduce, and that you are moving in a wave 5 deeper. Of course, the possibility gets higher and higher towards the invalidation of the bullish scenario. So we're gonna see how the things are going to turn, but I feel much more comfortable, of course, to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, wave 4 doesn't work so much. Wave 5 not really good at all, and so I prefer this one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and trade safe, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.